Hi, in this video I'm going to show you 2 stretches for pecs muscles and 3 exercises for upper trapezius. So if you want to know why we're doing this exercise, there is a main component video and the link is below. So stretch for your pecs muscles. So all you need to do is a wall. You place your hand on a wall. So you're standing sideways to the wall. Your foot, which is close towards the wall, is in front. The foot which is away from the wall is at the back. Then you're going to move your body away from the wall. At the same time, your whole body is moving, right? So your hips will move and your body. So don't twist at the waist. Good. Feel the stretch. The other way you can do this stretch is you actually stand away from the wall and extend your arm fully. Then you move your arm up and down, and the same thing, you're moving away from the wall. And you feel the stretch in a little bit different parts of your pec. Okay, and another exercise for your pec muscles is interlock your fingers at the back and stretch the arms are straight. You feel the stretch. It's a really good stretch. So do this as often as you can. Really good stretch if you work a bit in front of a computer. Very good stretch to pull your shoulders to the back. Okay, and now we're going to lie down on the mat and do 3 exercises for upper trapezius. Okay, let's lie down on the tummy. So draw the tummy away from the floor. Gently press your pubic bone into the floor. Place your arms in stop sign position. Legs together, draw the pelvic floor up. Looking at the mat, neck is long and beautiful. Inhaling. As you exhale, activate the muscles under armpits and move your elbows towards the waist. Exhaling. Inhaling, move them back up to the stop sign. And again, exhaling. Inhale to the stop sign. And again. So make sure that you feel that the muscles on the armpits are working, and also the muscles between your shoulder blades. Remember looking to the mat, so I'm looking just at you. Yeah, but you need to look at the mat. Neck is long and beautiful. And again. And last time. Move your arms again to the stop sign position. This time place your fingertips on the floor. If you don't want to touch the floor, you don't have to. And then you're going to just draw the circles on the floor. Focus on the muscles between your shoulder blades and muscles on the armpits. Draw the tummy away from the floor. Squeeze your glutes and legs together. Good. Feel the muscles are working. Breathe naturally. And couple more. Make sure that your shoulders are away from your ears. Good. Next exercise is a flight. We're going to extend our arms to the back. Arms are very strong. You lift your upper body up. At the same time, your breast is still on the floor. Okay, you're going to rotate the palms up and down, up and down. At the same time, it's not the wrist moving, right? So the whole arm is moving. And like you're trying to reach your toes with your fingers. And fly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And tummy is away from the floor. Draw the pelvic floor up. Good. A little bit more. Remember the muscles under armpits are working. And last one. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax. So these are 3 exercises you can do every day if you like. Adding them to your workout. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel. And keep going, keep exercising, and I will see you next time.